It's Friday, August 15th, and today I bought some calls on United Healthcare early in the session after a big gap up. I bought some 280 calls at 2044, which I'll show you on the charts in a second. I just scaled out at 2550 up here, so nice gain, and now I'll see what happens for the rest of the day. Obviously, this is the new stock with the big news today, gapping up big after a lot of big players invested in this stock finally after a big drop. If you look at the daily chart, it's come down, down, down. And so this is an area where a lot of investors are apparently buying. But anyway, the gap up happened, and I wanted to just kind of watch it at the open. I saw it take out the liquidity of the up. This is the 5-minute chart. Liquidity of the upside. It took out the liquidity of the downside. These little pivots here in the pre-market range. And then I was watching the 5-minute chart after kind of moving up a little bit, coming down, and then having that reversal. I bought the calls here, and now it's heading higher. We'll see if it takes out the high of the day. Obviously, I'd like to see this continue higher here towards these targets up in all the way up to the 320 area. That's where it kind of bounced a little bit after earnings. Then it came down, took out the lows. So now we're working back to those highs in the big picture. So with all the news and the technical price action in play, I just wanted to be aggressive buying some call options here, and I'll hold on a little bit now that I scaled out and see if we can take out the high of the day, see if we can get to those pre-market highs around 310, and just see if this daily bar, closes strongly green, and then follows through, all the way up to the top of this range here going forward. So it looks like, the trend's back up on this one. Never know for sure, but we will find out. Again, on the weekly chart, we have kind of a 2-up week that has a bunch of pivot machine gun targets up here. So until this weekly chart fails, you just got to play this trend, a big reversal possibly happening here, and we'll see how high it wants to go. So good no risk trade right now. The 5-minute chart again, kind of after this little 2 down, 2 up here, has moved higher in order to scale out of some of those options, and there's a bunch of little premium into those options, so we'll see if it kind of where it goes should we take out the highs of the day and continue higher. But it's all at no risk right now, and again, this is the stock of the day in terms of news.